What's going on guys, today we're gonna be showing you a quick way to fix the DNS prop finish bad config error on your Google Chrome. Of course it will work for other browsers as well as long as you're using Windows. It is a very common error message that your browser shows you. We know how irritating it is. So let's put this to an end once and forever. And before we begin, let me show you how bad it affected my browsing habit. You can see we can't open a single web address on Google Chrome. The same goes to other browsers. So hope you're experiencing the same or worse. So let's start the fix. Just go to your network adapter icon situated on the right side of your taskbar and right click on it. And simply choose Open Network and Internet Settings, which will open this window. And from here you have to navigate to change adapter option. Now we'll open the network connection window. From here choose your right network adapter, the one which you have connected your internet connection. For me it is this, so choose properties and you will see another window. From here you can open the Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Now come down here and use the following DNS server addresses. Now these fields will reveal to you. From here it's just a matter of entering a preferred DNS server. So you can enter 8.8.8.8 here. And this will work for all over the world no matter wherever you're from and whichever internet connection you're using. Now let me show you opening my browser again, and there we go, it's just fixed the problem. Hope it will fix yours too, so leave a like if you liked and subs if you loved. See you soon with another one.